You probably found this video searching for a vegan flan recipe, and I'm not gonna disappoint you, so let me tell you why you should eat this creamy easy vegan flan. 3 reasons. Here's reason number 1. It is creamy. All that creaminess comes from just 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. There is no eggs, no tofu, no gelatin. Before we get to the next reason, let's get started with step 1 in this vegan flan recipe. How to make vegan caramel sauce. So take a pan, add in 2.5 tablespoons of coconut sugar, pinch of salt, 3 drops of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of water. Now heat it over the stove and keep stirring. You see the bubbles now? At this point, don't go anywhere, don't look anywhere, don't take your hands off this pan. Now keep your eyes plastered over the pan. We don't want burnt caramel. Now jokes apart, this is critical to this easy vegan flan because if vegan caramel sauce is not right or if it's too burnt, when you unmold, you will end up with a puddle of brown liquid or a very bad aftertaste, and we don't want that, do we? Now this looks thick and perfect. Don't be alarmed by how dark it looks. Remember, coconut sugar is dark brown, so the vegan caramel is a darker version of it. Swirl it around so that it spreads evenly. Now this needs to be refrigerated until it's set. On to step number 2. How to make vegan custard. In a pan, add 215 ml of almond milk, 2 tablespoons coconut milk, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon powdered agar-agar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Stir it well to remove any lumps. Now bring it to the stove and continue stirring. As it gets cooked, you will begin to see the consistency of the vegan custard. This should take anywhere between 5 to 9 minutes. When it looks like this, remove it from heat. Bring back the bowl containing vegan caramel sauce and add this vegan custard into it. You need to cool it down to room temperature before refrigerating it for 2 or 3 hours. Now on to reason number 2. While comparing the calorie value of 300 gram flan made out of eggs against this vegan flan dessert, it is 19% less in its calories. Now it's time to bring back the chilled vegan flan. Demold it using a plate. And give a tap. Once more, a tap here, and there it has come out. Look at how well it has set. Okay, and the last reason on why you should eat this creamy easy vegan flan is because of almond milk. Almond milk is an excellent source for vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble vitamin, important for protecting our cells from free radical damage. But if you didn't know how to make your own almond milk, do check this video where I make homemade almond milk using soaked almonds and also making homemade almond milk in 1 minute. And until next time, see you later and stay safe.